Hello guys, today we are in the IDP camp, the flood victims camp in Atani in Ogbaru local government area of Anambra State. We came here to visit them to see what is happening here and if they are getting any help from the government and the philanthropists out there. But what we saw here is shocking because we came inside an IDP camp that is supposed to be a place where flood victims are staying, and you can't imagine. This place is messed by flood. This place is messed up. Here is heavily flooded. Inside an IDP camp is flooded. You can imagine what a mess. Is that the best the government could do? Is that all they could do for these people? Like, this place is risky staying here in a flooded area and call it IDP camp. Well, I'm going to bring you guys some interviews by some people in this camp. They will tell us their experiences so far and if the government has promised to do anything better for them, because right now they are in the state of mess. Just stay tuned to this video, subscribe and just keep watching. Hello, how are you doing? Please, could you tell us your name, please?
My name is Joy.
What?
Joy.
Joy. Okay. So, Joy, where are we now?
Local government.
Which local government?
Of Atani.
Of Atani.
Yes.
And that's Ogbaru local government area.
Yes.
Headquarter. So, what are you guys doing here now?
We are staying here for some time because of this flood took over our place where we are living. So we have to stay here for some time. If the flood goes, we can go back to our places.
Oh. So the government gave you guys this place?
Yes.
But that's funny. Here is also flooding. How could the government give you guys this place to stay instead of taking you guys to a better secured environment? But as they have put you guys here, did they assure you guys that they are going to take you people out of here to a better place?
Yes.
They said that. Yes. So what did they say is going to happen?
They said they will take us to south.
When?
They just came and promised us.
Oh, when did they come to say that?
Beginning of this week.
Okay, this week.
Yes.
Oh. But have they been bringing any food items or anything at all for you people?
Yes.
They have been providing for you guys?
Yes. They provide foam and food.
Foam and food?
Yes.
Okay, I think they have done well in that angle, but they still need to take people out of here. Here is risky now. Abi, how do you see it?
Here is risky.
It's risky?
Yes.
And small children are also here?
Yes.
So what happens to school children staying in this environment now? What's their fate now?
They have to stop school at this moment so that when this flood goes on, they can go back to their school.
Yeah, that's quite sad. Okay, so alright. Thank you for granting us this interview. Okay. Wow. Wow. Because the other side, this floor, the maybe see that side, the Kalieba. Okay. They are thank you, huh?
So, oh yeah,
but then we hope now the media cover go now. It won't be so like in 1 week or 1 month or 2 weeks time. Oh yeah, what up more? Okay. Kepan ke side ngwa bikwa na Ogbaru. Okay, Atani kunbi. Okay. Okay. Wow. Thank you. Welcome. How are you? Okay, Puago. Magan waba. Hey. Hey, I'm coming. Apa kwan? Enggak, Pak. Hey.
Ọ dịkwa deep o. Ọ maka okay. Na ana m abịa side ya. Ana m abịa ebe a.